And you haven't been in lighting. Like a lot of times we talk to the lighting designers here and they're 20 years, 30 years. You're newer in the industry, quote unquote, like 5 years, maybe 6 years?
This is our fifth year.
Fifth year.
In landscape lighting.
So how did you go so quickly? What would you say is like, what made that catalyst happen that you were able to go from like not in the industry to 5 years later being a back-to-back champion? That's like a phenom. Like obviously everything I know you've done at a very high level, but what were the things that really allowed you to progress quickly for people just like getting started or wanting to get to your level?
Any of our progression, it's a very simple answer.
Mm-hmm.
It's mentors and learning.
Mm-hmm.
And I love this industry. Even within the world of outdoor lighting, specifically landscape lighting, people are so open and willing.
Yeah.
And I did Christmas lights for 20 years now. So I've been in that game for a long time. And when we decided we're going to try landscape lighting, I knew nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I have no knowledge of how to do this. And I started researching and asking people online, who are the best? Who are some guys you really respect in the industry?
Mm-hmm.
You know, and I got Nels Peterson.
Yep.
I got James Solecki.
Mm-hmm.
And I reached out to those guys and hey, I'm Chris. I'm really excited to have you as my mentor.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. They're like, what? Who are you? You know, and then I learned from those guys.
Mm-hmm.
And then Chris Mitchell, I met at the very first lighting event. Didn't know a single person there.
Mm-hmm.
I met Chris. I heard him speak, and a couple things he said I adopted, and then that helped me land my first 80 fixture project.
Yeah.
You know, and being part of Ryan Lee's group and
Mm-hmm.
learning from him and learning from the people that are in that group. So any shortcut that I've had
Mm-hmm.
has always been through knowledge from people that are willing to answer the questions, and then me being willing to ask the questions and spend time with them, you know. And Nels, you know, introduced me to Sterling and introduced me to you. Anywhere you want to go, people have been there before, and you go find those guys and learn from them.
Yep.
And so I'm so grateful and blessed to be able to spend time with awesome designers and then have a good team, you know, at home to implement
Your vision.
Yep.